Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Nokia. Firstly, just pick one of your apps and click on the square button. Now click on the icon of your app and select split screen. Following that, select home button and click on the other app. I will go with Chrome. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging your app upwards and selecting home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!